Hi, Miss Anaya. Hi. Thanks for the salsa. We're pretty excited about this. I'm Brian, and this is Chandra from WDEZ.
Hi.
And Chandra's going to be doing the taste test today. I guess you guys have all been working pretty hard with these salsas. So, are you ready to give it a try, Chandra?
Yes, I'm so excited because I love salsa.
All right. So, what are we trying first?
We're trying Spicy Day.
Okay. Spicy Day.
Good.
All right.
Okay. Now
Okay.
I got Bob's.
All right.
Oops. I'm breaking my chip off. Nice touch with the cilantro. Ooh.
A little kick to it?
Oh, a little
All right.
bit.
Looks like that's got some kick to it.
Here's Ninja.
This is Ninja?
This is No Name.
This is no name first. All right.
All of these are really, really good. And this is Ninja.
All right. This is the final one.
Ooh.
And the verdict is?
They're all good, but I gotta say Ninja. I love this cilantro. There's a lot of cilantro in here.
The Ninja's the best?
Yep. And Bob's is good. It's just too hot for me.
Too hot for her. All right. Well, thank you guys for letting us be part of your class. And have a good one. Goodbye, Miss Anaya. Have fun, you guys. See ya.